Global warming, climate change, and the pollution of the environment are common issues in our society.
For DRUIDS, acting accordingly on these issues is a challenge and a daily duty in all our actions. And this is the reason to say, greet the future of wire now and here.
Based on DRUID vision, any new product or process developed by us must reduce the CO2 footprint,
reduce the energy consumption, improve the working ergonomics and safety for the operator.
In addition to improving productivity and reducing production costs.
For us, sustainability is the target of any new development, and it's part of our strategic plan to make the steel wire industry better, faster and cleaner.
We are all involved to build a more sustainable future for people, by people.